model, 69 plate Vauxhall Vivaro 3100 Sportive 68kmiles engine knocking needs repairing, one owner, no VAT bargain. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 68,300. MOT, the 26th of November 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FEU. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy, you can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it. Immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 0 former keepers, part service history, parking sensors, aircon, cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,195 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp